Hello everyone, welcome to the installation guide video for AH-4-10KTH-G 3-phase inverter series. This video will guide you through the hardware installation of the inverter, including preparation work, fixed installation of the inverter, cable fabrication and connections, as well as the final smart communication setup. Please prepare the following tools according to the information provided. And please check the contents of the inverter package to ensure all items are complete. Before setting up the inverter, find a spot that can hold its weight and has enough room. We suggest keeping 300 mm clear around and above it for good cooling and easy setup. Using a marking template, combine it with a level and a marker to accurately mark the installation position on the wall. Use a rotary hammer to drill 4 holes at the marked spots with an 8 mm bit, deeper than 55 mm for secure screw fixing. Carefully put the expansion screws into the holes, then lightly tap them with a hammer until they're firmly in place. After that, take off the nuts and washers to use later. Put the wall bracket on the screws with the right side up. Add washers and nuts. Then tighten them with a wrench to secure the bracket to the wall. Carefully hang the inverter onto the installed bracket, ensuring that the inverter is aligned with the center of the bracket. Finally, use a cross screwdriver to tighten the M4-10 screws on both sides of the heatsink to secure the inverter, ensuring the installation is safe. Trim the ground wire, peel back 6.2 mm of insulation, and crimp it to the OT terminal. Tighten the screws with a Phillips screwdriver to attach the wire to the device. Please use the MC4 positive and negative metal terminals and DC connectors that come with the inverter. First, strip the cable insulation to a length of 8 to 10 mm. Insert the stripped cable into the metal terminal, using a crimping tool to secure it, ensuring a solid connection and checking for integrity. Next, insert the metal terminal into the corresponding plastic terminal. If you hear a click sound, it indicates that it has been correctly assembled. Use a quick release tool to tighten the nuts, ensuring all connections are secure. Then, insert the wire harness into the machine terminals, ensuring a 1-to-1 correspondence. If you hear a click sound, it indicates that it has been correctly assembled. For the PV cable harness, simply repeat the previous operations. Finally, use a multimeter to measure the voltage, ensuring the polarity is correct. For the CAN and meter cable, using a cross screwdriver, remove the screws to detach this component. Please note that the screws should be retained for later use. Unscrew the waterproof cover's nuts, remove the silicone, and insert the CAN wire into the silicone. Next, pass the meter network cable through the nut, ensuring it is securely locked in the silicone. Then, insert the CAN harness and meter harness into the network interface, ensuring a correct connection. Finally, use a cross screwdriver to tighten the waterproof cover, ensuring it is securely fastened. For the grid cable, use a wire stripper to strip the insulation, exposing a length of 8 to 10 mm of the metal wire core. Pass the cable through the locking nut and threaded sleeve. Then insert the crimped metal terminal into the corresponding metal hole based on the labeling on the terminal. For the EPS cable harness, simply repeat the aforementioned operations. Attach the threaded sleeve to the connecting terminal. If you hear a click sound, it indicates that it has been correctly assembled. Ensure that all wiring parts are properly covered to prevent accidental touch. Finally, unscrew the dust cover from the USB port. Insert the Wi-Fi dongle and tighten the nut to secure it. The meter section includes 1 meter host, 3 external current transformers, and a 15-meter communication cable. Attach the 3 external current transformers to the R, S, and T lines near the power grid, and connect the current transformers to the meter host with black and white wires. Connect the inverter communication line. One side of the bare wire terminal connects to terminal 30, while the crystal head connects to the meter after the inverter's COM terminal. The grid voltage signal is drawn from the grid lines R, S, T, N, connecting to corresponding terminals 4, 3, 2, over 1, and the RN line is connected to terminals 5, 6. To better manage and monitor the system, please scan the QR code in the user's manual, or search for and download the HiPower app directly at the mobile app store. Scan the HiPower manual QR code to download the app. Scan the user manual QR code to download specific usage instructions. Congratulations! You have successfully completed the installation and configuration of the inverter. Thank you for choosing the Solar Energy Storage Inverter. We are committed to providing you with efficient and reliable energy solutions.